A few days after her husband, Laguna Governor Ramil Hernandez announced testing positive for COVID-19, Laguna Representative Ruth Mariano-Hernandez revealed she also has the virus. The lady lawmaker said her office has undergone disinfection and will continue to operate to assist constituents. She will also continue attending congressional hearings online. While in isolation, the legislator asked for prayers and reminded the public to follow health protocols.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.